Hello and welcome to Sima Marine, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2004 Cruiser Yachts 280 CXI. The boat is currently docked at Sima Marine in our East Lake facility. Length overall is 31 feet. Beam is 10 feet. Weight is 8,500 pounds. Fuel is 100 gallons. Water's 30. And waste is approximately 20 gallons. The boat is equipped with twin 4.3 liter GXI by Volvo Penta. They're rated at 225 horsepower apiece. It has GPS, windlass, VHF radio, huge cockpit, and many other features. Boarding the boat, you'll see that it does have two 30 amp 50-foot shore power cords, an extended swim platform, extended ladder so you can actually get on and off the boat, walk through door to the cockpit. The cockpit does have a single pedestal table, and see the speakers going up on the side to the radar arch. Going forward, you'll have two storage cabinets on the port side into your cabin. Walk-through windshield. Over at the helm, you'll have GPS, VHF radio, depth finder, high bilge alarm. The boat currently has 244.7 engine hours on each engine. There's your helm seat. Going down into the cabin. Going down in the cabin, you'll have air conditioning and heating controls, a CD player, a dinette table that does go down into an extra sleeping quarter. The boat will sleep 5 very comfortably. Your forward stateroom. There is two types of storage underneath that. One you can see at the door, that's right below the berth, and the other one, if you lift up the berth, it'll go right into another storage compartment for the cockpit table or for the dinette table. Over at your galley, you'll have a single burner stove, microwave, refrigerator, sink with hot and cold pressure water. The boat is in excellent condition. Looking back, there's your mid cabin, control panel, the mid cabin on this boat is quite big. The entrance is quite big, so you do not get claustrophobic. Underneath the two black canvases is the full enclosure and the cushion that goes to the dinette to make that into the berth. Looking into the head is equipped with an electric flush head. You got shower, single sink, exhaust fan, vanity mirror, porthole, and a shower curtain. And finally, we'll go out to our engines. Opening up the engine hatch, you'll find storage for both table legs. Down in the bilge, you'll find batteries, hot water heater, battery switches, twin 4.3 liter GXI stern drive engines. They're rated at 225 horsepower apiece. Port battery, waste tank. And looking down, you'll have your battery charger, blowers, and your Fireboy. Thank you for viewing the 2004 Cruiser Yachts 280 CXI with Sima Marine.